My name is Shaysha Johnson, hailing from the Talladega College. Today I'm going to talk to you about my day of research. I will be working with Dr. Cloyed in the Carmichael lab, and we will be studying the effects of decomposition on stable isotope values. Alright, so what we did was we took stranding samples and cut pieces off each sample, labeling them and placing them into specific organza mesh wrapped cages, hanging them on a clothesline, and documenting each day. We also documented weather, whether it rained or not, humidity, and also the low and high temperature. We take samples from day 0, day 1, day 3, day 6, and day 10. We put the liver, skin, and muscle outside so that it can simulate the same climate or environment it would be in if the strandings were not being experimented on. It gives more authenticity. We use organza mesh wrapped cages so that we can be able to keep out any pests such as foxes, flies, anything that would be able to get to the sample. Once we take the samples, we put them into the scientific oven and dry the samples out so that they can be grinded with the mortar and pestle and sent to a lab to be tested. Before we can send them off, we have to weigh them using the microbalance and package them to be shipped off. Also, we send the samples to the University of California Davis Stable Isotope Facility. We send it to that lab because they offer analysis of stable isotopes. With isotope work comes a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning is necessary because we do not want anything to contaminate the samples. So after every time we use a scientific tool, we have to acid wash it, such as the mortar and pestle. It stays in the acid bath for about 24 hours, and we take them out and rinse them off with ultra pure water. After every use of any scientific tool, such as forceps or scissors, we have to make sure that we sanitize them with 90% ethanol. This is important because isotopes can be used to understand the natural flow of energy through systems, and this experiment allows us to understand the isotope values of stranded dolphins and manatees. When isotope researchers study marine animals, they use already deceased marine animals, so this will allow us to know if the information is reliable and does not change. In conclusion, this work can and will help us use stable isotopes on stranded animals for research purposes.